Guys, and so me I talk about credit, me not talk about lie, man. Did you sell credit? Me I talk about credit. You have to give credit. And the reality that, because you not go on good. And come like phone credit, done.
Guys, listen. You guys know what...
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violate to get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest, so...
You don't see the king, though.
Yes, guys. So from you see by the title, you now wonder...
Wagwan.
Wagwan. So... what I want to do is just share out this video, subscribe if you haven't already, smash that like button, and just stick around to hear what we are going to say, right? Yeah,
and remember, we're going to do a live following up this video.
Yes, guys. And we know we haven't been posting for the past couple of days now, but guys, remember, King wasn't feeling too good. It has nothing to do with COVID or anything like that. He's just going through a transition right now, and he wasn't feeling good, but he's... well, as you guys can see,
bang, bang, boom.
Yes,
we are out.
We're not out with the same way. And as you know,
they know some out, you know.
Yeah,
out and stunting.
And as you know, guys, the event is coming up, so all of that shopping and stuff is on us, so we have to make sure we get it done properly, right? Saturday, August the 14th.
We're busy.
So make sure, say, you come out, you show out, and you give us your full support. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys that's planning to come. We appreciate you. Just come out in your numbers, your colors, and let's vibe. Alright, guys. So
let's all right in this.
Get right in a why that video is making,
We can start it?
Sure.
Guys, and so me I talk about credit, me not talk about lie, man. Did you sell credit? Me I talk about credit. You have to give credit. And the reality that, because you not go on good. And you come like phone credit, done.
Guys, listen. You guys know what we like and what we don't like, because we've been talking about it. We already did it in a video. Every live we're on, we talk about it, and any video we do, we talk about it, right? So I don't understand why, hence the title come up, Don't Play Me. Why you guys are trying to play us, guys. Not because we are on here saying good energy, positive vibe, positive energy. We tell you guys that yes, and we are working towards that. I would say make it a lifestyle, but don't feel like you can play people
us and take us for an asshole or an idiot, because
don't do that, guys.
What now come with right now, it now make no sense. And the reality is this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are uno, some are uno, because we are fine uno.
And guys, we not exclude nobody. So please, if the cap fit you, just wear it.
You know yourself.
Yeah, you know yourself. You guys
we're
know
not going to call a name right now.
And if you don't want to call name,
we can do that. I'm not afraid to call name. But you know yourself.
Guys, this is upsetting me. For the past couple of days, King was not well, and I've just been there thinking, as I told you guys before, anything that happens to me, at the end of the day, I sit and I reflect on it to say, am I doing something wrong, or this situation is just goddamn wrong, right? So after reflecting now, I've realized that, oh, I've done nothing wrong, and what it is, right?
And we are doing the right thing.
Yes. So guys, we realize that most of you guys are taking our contents
and not
giving credit.
And we don't tell us did you sell our line.
Yes, guys.
Real credit we are talking about.
We understand that we're not content creators to say that, oh, we are the ones that come up with it, we are the ones that discover it. No. But you guys know that you are watching.
I want to watch it. I want to do the thing them. I want to give no credit. Yes, and the reality is this: every time we go over Robinson family and we do them thing, we give them credit.
Yes.
We go over Alicia's royalty. She younger than we, and we still give her credit. Me say King and Shay, when them use other people things, them give them credit.
Exactly.
Me say Image and Dolly do it when them use people things, them give them credit. So why we don't want to give we credit?
And that is all. That all come down to billing each other. That all come down to billing each other. King and Shay is a bigger YouTuber than Dre and Trish. And when King and Shay use Dre and Trish ideas,
they make them know say Dre and Trish them see.
Yeah, them
just
say
like
guys.
The prank when King a peeping pan him
whatever, yeah.
You understand?
Them
Dre
say
and
guys,
Trish.
I see this over Dre and Trish, and we decide to want to do it and whatever. It's the same for everybody all around, because we use each other content, but where it comes down to giving credit, that's where it is, guys. And Alicia Royalty, I must point out this.
Big up yourself.
She was the one that told us about the this or that challenge, right? we did that challenge. We gave her credit. We realized that persons are in our circle
doing our challenges, doing the stuff, and they are not giving credit.
Persons in our circle are doing the same this or that content, and they're not giving credit to either us or Royalty.
Alicia.
And that's not nice, guys, because if we do any of you guys content, we're gonna say shout out to whoever or whatever.
And you come over on the channel and see something me like, and the first thing that before me even go in the video, I make them know
we'll
say,
see it over here,
pick up over this or
whatever, whatever.
Because that's how we see it and we like it, so we're gonna try it.
Guys.
Uno not do that, and that's unfair. That's not right.
Building
that
each other is important.
Uno say we not build each other, uno say we support each other, but uno not support we, or we support uno.
And guys,
and that it look like.
You know something that caught me real deep? I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw something, and I'm like,
really?
Like for real? Are you really gonna play us like that? I've been on Instagram and I saw something, as I said before. You guys know that we have a goal to reach 1K by my birthday, right? Yes, guys, we'll have that goal. So just share out the content, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and all of that, guys. Because I can't believe the persons are trying
it's a competition
the run against thing, and then when I say, oh, I support you guys, I really love you guys, but then why are you trying to run against us when we're in this together as we think, right?
Competition. This is not about a competition. This is not champs. This is not horse racing. This is not Olympic. This is not football. This is a platform where we come on to make ourselves recognized and to be entrepreneurs. We are already entrepreneurs, and that's what we're there for. We get ourselves marketable.
Always telling you guys the goal.
Take it the wrong way. Let me tell you this, guys. We don't YouTube is a plus for us, but it wasn't really. It's not a must, but it's a plus.
Exactly.
Get that clear. You understand? Because we are entrepreneurs. We find time to give you guys content and make you guys have something to watch and let you know in.
Yeah.
And this way I get from it not add up because you come off real, but you not real.
Exactly, and this is what we always talk about. This is why we isolate ourselves from people, and it's just King and Ali.
And
only.
That's just it, period.
And we
King
get and being now on this platform, it has opened our eyes. So moving forward, you guys will see a lot of changes. And when you see the changes, just know that your behavior is causing us to change towards you
guys.
The same energy you give us, that's the same energy we're gonna give you.
It's gonna be mutual right now.
Yeah, the feeling is gonna be mutual. You understand? Or maybe there ain't gonna be no feelings at all. We're just gonna deal with you guys on a business level. No friendship, none of that is gonna be there on a business level. And I can tell you, I don't play. Not true, you see me on YouTube and
we laugh
and we say positive energy, good vibe.
People, we not trouble people, we not bullshit people, and we not use people. So we not expect people to use we and I go around we and I style we and I take with either. We not like that shit.
Don't do that,
we
guys.
Not like that
don't
shit.
do that. And we realize that some of you guys come on here and we're gonna give you some bananas or whatever this or whatever that, and you guys are not doing it like
somehow know a clout. Because at the end of the day is this people love our content and we are grow.
Yeah.
Reality and the growth
that's the mission being on this platform.
A stranger grow we. Honestly, people we don't even know. You understand how we are meet some people and we got to find out that some of them we are meet, them not really genuine. Them are just opportunists.
Exactly.
Because them see we are grow and them are try right on
jump on the bandwagon.
That's why education TV say not like trolls. And over here so we not like trolls.
And that's the reason why we always have you notice that Education Network TV, that's a connection we have with that YouTuber,
yeah, and if you go over there right now, you can tell us a big up King and Ali from out of Jamaica. So
exactly, and that person, and that person is we in New Jersey, and we can give them credit every time we're talking. Yeah, feel what I say, guys? We can give them credit every time we're talking, and that's a real person, guys. You see that man there? Him real down to the T.
Genuine.
Exactly, and we need people like that in our corner, and you need people like that in your corner, because if you constantly have persons playing you and you're playing people, then it just a one big playground when it make no sense.
Yes, me some cat and mouse game, and this now add up. So here what I'm gonna tell you now. I'm gonna say a whole heap of changes.
As we said before, there's gonna be a lot of changes moving forward.
I'm not want nobody coming at the DM and ask why is this and why not do this and why
guys,
that. You understand?
It's our choices.
Because the challenges them just for do the video, yeah. And as I tell you, I never feel well. So right now, I'm still not so 100, but we're ready for go working in the morning, and we have to make them know what going.
Exactly, guys. We have work this morning. As we're telling us, so we event to come up, so we have things doing,
busy.
And we still make the time out. You realize that they're not even break good.
You know, so
around
the sky look,
6 o'clock
so
in the morning
matter of fact, when you look at the quality of the video, you're supposed to know, say, the video kind of the morning early.
Exactly, guys. So please, I am imploring upon you. I am preaching to you. Don't feel like you can take me as walk over, guys.
We're not clown. We're not idiot. We're not stupid. You understand? And the reality is this. We're up on the platform here to grow and to help other people. But through all of us, we are going to help people and support people. Take with kindness for weakness.
Yes.
Me not like that. Stop abuse the situation, guys.
This is all for everybody. Everybody can have a piece of the cake. You come a King and Ali Wings and cake link up, you get piece of the cake just the same. So
the cake
what to do? Wow.
One, you alone can't eat off the whole of the cake. You alone can't eat it off. That's why and American YouTubers them always
and that's
prosper,
what we're always
and
talking
always
about.
Strive because Jamaica we not unite.
Crab in a barrel mentality.
And the whole heap of bad mind and the iniquity and the envy, it now go nowhere, brother. You have to unite and play real and be loyal.
Guys,
you understand? You know, so you miss the tool, you miss the live them, you miss the video them. You understand? And me kind of rehabilitate and I meditate and I say, no, I'm sick, yes. I don't go live yesterday, you know. I mean, I say, you know, somebody
that was
go live.
Tuesday. And we were going to go live Sunday because most persons were texting us in our DMs that would say, Irwa, we just have to put this out there so King not feel good. And Tuesday, yesterday, we had a busy day and King was still not feeling well. We had to go on the road and as we said, the event coming up, so we have to do all of that.
We have gather some things, we get things
the
in place.
Final things for the preparation, right? So we were saying that we're gonna gather up all of that and so on. But this morning we realized that we can't go so much days without giving you guys a content. So we're now doing this video so that you guys can get it right. So guys, with all that being said, I'm gonna click back on the points we said. Don't play us. If you use our content, give credit. And most of all, don't tell us things that you know you're not gonna do.
Alright, I promise is a comfort to a
Don't
fool.
give us
Don't get my hopes up and crush it. Because you see right now I figure out and I find out and I set of users.
And guys, after
me
you
know
watch
my real supporters them and them know me. And it's at the end of the day, you see all that one fake. When I go come around to become supporters, you know. But for now, I just keep myself in my circle. You understand? I start push up in a people because when I push up in a people, at this I get.
Yeah.
So
basically that
and
is
my
all.
friend cut me, you know.
Let's not
Here's some I want nobody feel that them can go around me. My wise up, my think different right now.
Anyways, guys.
Hear that?
Anyways, as we always tell you, we've been through a lot and we really now want to go back down the road there and we have moved forward. Positive energy, good vibe, make it a lifestyle. So you don't know, August the 14th, that's Saturday, August the 14th, come out for the Wings and Cake link up, guys. Be reminded that the curfew is at 6 o'clock, so come out early.
So
rain or sunshine. Rain
Yeah.
or sunshine, you come out same way, come support the thing. You might not have to stay long, you just come by where you buy. And you don't know what to do. So yes, guys, we just go
close that
being said. And I must say, for persons who are coming, please to DM me the day before so that we can give you the location, right? Alright, guys. So just go into the thought for today now.
So yeah, guys, as me I tell you now, we just go close this off with the thought of the day and left with a bang. So go on with it earlier.
Okay, guys, the thought for today is just be true to yourself, be real, and be who you want to be, and just allow the Lord to lead in the midst of where you want to go.
I'm going to tell you, study your friend them, because they must study you. If the cat you claim say she in love with you, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.